first thing you're going to need to do, Tracy, is make sure that we have the upstream.
Ben, nobody knows
remote
what's
set.
happening.
Oh, we're going to.
So there's this thing.
Yeah.
This thing right here.
Must kill, no space, braces.
My favorite though
Just do
is
it
the
on-
background music. Do 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 do.
Serious
Do,
background music for serious
do,
business.
Do, do, do.
So the
Wait,
force
hold
is. Wait. What are you doing?
on. If this is it, lyrics.
We're not being very productive right now.
No, hold on. Don't lie, just to save my feelings.
Girl, don't cry and tell me nothing's wrong.
Girl, don't try to make up phony reasons. I'd rather leave than never believe if this is it. Please let me know.
This is a horrible
If
podcast.
this ain't love, you better let me go. Whose idea was this?
Yours. This was your idea.
It's pretty great music.
Okay, we must kill no space braces, Tracy.
Yeah.
All right, so first thing you need
End
to do.
our hate, Tracy. End it.
Yes, very important. So the first thing we need to do is make sure you are up to date with ArcGIS. So
right.
let's do a get status and see what branch you're on. Okay, you're on branch punctuation. Switch to checkout master.
But this is the thing I forked it.
Forked it? That's fine. All right, so now we're on master. So what I want you to do is say get remote space dash V. So we're going to do dash V for verbose, and we're going to see what we have. So we have upstream already. That's good.
What does that mean?
Upstream is the source. We added this one of the last times we paired, which is this is the source repository. Origin is your fork.
Okay, got it. Upstream,
is the reactivex copy. So what we want to do is we want to say
force the upstream.
We're going to say get fetch
Okay,
upstream.
Yeah. Force, get force.
And this is going to get all of the data about upstream.
Oh, this is cool. So this is like saying get checkout master almost.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
we're going to say get rebase.
Ooh, rebase.
Upstream / master.
What are you doing? What's rebase?
So this we're going to rebase your master on what's in upstream.
Oh, how come I'm just not like? Okay, so this is just like preventing me of having to like fork another thing because I could do that.
This is just updating your local copy.
So
of
it's
master.
basically like okay.
Okay, so now you fast forwarded master to where upstream.
And then I can check out a branch. Right?
Yep.
Kill, no, space, braces.
Nice. Okay.
Oh, I'm not Ember S-ing. And I'm not NG-newing or NG-S-ing.
Probably, I think we're good. I don't think we need to do an NPM install, but it's fine. What happened to Adam?
Anyways.
Adam doesn't like you.
Oh, remember Adam's broken because
Adam's
you broke
forked.
it. Oh wait, it's not broken. It works. I remember we had to use this other one. Oh, it works. Okay.
Good.
Now what?
So, really what we're doing in here is let's go under src under source. And we'll look at like any file under there. Like it doesn't really matter which one. See up there in line 1 and line 2.
Yeah, but we need the regular expression thingy.
Alright, so this is what we're gonna do.
Because seriously, doing this, how long would it have taken me?
Alright, so go ahead and just let those go back to where they were. Just like undo your changes because I have a good reason for this. Now I want you to say Command Shift F.
Command.
Yeah, because we're in Atom. So Command is
Shift F.
All right, so find in project, and now the next thing I wanted you to do is see the little period with the right there. Use regex. So you've highlighted that, and now we're going to use some regular expressions, and these are super fancy. So
what kind of music is this though?
This is Chicago. So go.
Okay.
All right, so we know that the line that we want to mess with starts with import. So go ahead and type import.
Always?
Yeah.
Can you sing the song now?
So we see how it's already starting to highlight import.
Yep.
Then we know there's a curly brace, but we have to escape it with a backslash because curly brace is a valid regexing. So you have to do the other type of slash first before the curly brace. So that. So because we're in regular expressions, and that's like a character in regular expression. So all right, see how it changed color?
Oh.
And see how we've highlighted that far now?
Oh.
All right, now this is where it gets super duper fancy. We've got to do a capture in regex. We have to capture a regular expression, and what we're going to find in here is really it's going to go right from there with any character A through Z. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this over just for a second so we can show you. So we're gonna do a set of values, A through Z, uppercase, A through Z, lowercase. And see how it's highlighted 1?
Yeah.
We want to find places where there's more than one of those. There could also be spaces in there, white spaces, so I'm going to do a -S for that, and commas, because you could have a comma-separated list in import. But one thing we do know is it's going to go directly to this. Actually, even easier than this is we can do a negative set by using a caret and say everything that's not one of those. And see how it's selected everything right up to there.
Ben?
This is crazy.
What the hell is a regular expression?
All right, so
this is amazing.
A regular expression is like a, it's kind of a little, how do I put this? It is an engine for going through and deciding what this is. So what it's going to do is it's going to say, okay, first character in my regular expression is an I. Do I find an I on this line? Yes, I do. Then an M. Oh, I found an M, and an P, and an O, and an R, and a T. Then it gets to this thing, and it says, oh, I'm looking for one of those characters. Got that. And it also found the space.
And you had to escape it because of the space?
Yeah. Then here, this is a regular expression. This is regular expression syntax, and this is saying everything that's not a closed bracket.
Do you have to like take a class on regular expressions usually?
No, you just have to be a really sadomasochistic person that had to do something awful once. So, all right, yeah. So stand back. I know regex, and like then this is saying, okay, so this is saying one character that is anything but an end bracket, and then this is saying, adding this says, okay, one or more characters that's anything but an M bracket. Right up to where it finds the first end bracket. Oh, the first end bracket.
And so you can just like mess around with regular expressions in here until it highlights what you want, really.
Yeah, right.
So that you know.
So,
okay.
But here's the super cool tricky part is we want to capture this part. So to capture this part, we use parens. And then what we want to do is we want to replace in the project, and we say...
This is the craziest shit I've ever seen.
All right, check this out. So we say import our curly brace. I'm going to add a space on purpose because that's what we want.
Ben, I'm really depressed that I'm not actually contributing to RX.
$1. I'm going to make you retype all this.
No.
And then close the curly brace. So just to recap.
Okay, what's the $1?
The $1 is what this captured.
What?
So everything from paren to paren, which is everything that's between one of these characters and one of these characters.
Is a $1.
Yeah, so
why?
It's going to capture subscriber.
Ben.
Yeah, this is good stuff. This is good stuff. So
are we going to name this podcast Ben Teaching Regular Expressions?
If you want to. So like, all right. So just to recap how the regular expression works.
Okay.
It's going and it's saying, do I find an I? Yes, I do. It's a state machine.
Okay.
So it's saying, do I find an I? Yes, I do. Okay, moving on. Do I find an M? Yes, I do. And it's like building out this selection up here. And it's saying, okay, do I find an I, then an M, then a P, then an O, then an R, then a T, then a space, because I've got an actual space here. And then do I have one of these curly braces?
I still don't get why you have to escape it.
You have to escape it because a curly brace is a valid character in regex.
Oh, I see.
So just like this
kind of like the quotations.
Right, and or like I've got a paren here. That's a valid thing, or this square bracket. So now the next thing is I'm saying, okay, paren to paren, I want to capture everything in there. I'm going to take it and keep it in memory.
Okay.
Right? And you can do as many as you want of those, and it starts at 1. And it goes from 1 to whatever. Right?
Keep going.
All right. And then we look at what we've got inside there, and it's this guy here. It's got a negative set, and the negative set is just looking for an end curly brace. So it's saying anything but an end curly brace. And then this is a lazy 1 or more. So we're saying it's got to have 1 or more characters that is not a curly brace until the very, very first end curly brace that we find.
That was insane. That was like really intense. Okay, so now what?
So that's
now
what
what are we doing for the dollar
So
sign
this
one?
this thing here is just going to consume until it finds a end curly brace. So that's it. So $1 it has whatever value is between my parens. So if I were to go ahead and say replace all on this file, it's going to go through and it's going to add those spaces now. So you ready? Are you ready? Tracy. We've got a brief intermission while Tracy walks away to take care of something. Please hold. Okay, so this is what we're finding, and we're matching this little bit here, and we're going to replace the whole shebang with whatever we put in here, and we've got this little variable that will give us whatever this guy found. And so if I run this, then in theory, it should add spaces here because I've put spaces around our little variable, right?
Oh, hurts my brain.
Right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and hit replace all, and we're going to watch to see if it changes.
Can you undo things?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So I ran it. Uh-oh.
It didn't do anything.
Didn't do anything. So it's saying that it...
Replace all, run a whatever search to enable. What does that even mean?
Oh. I got to run a new search, so find.
Ooh.
So it's saying we could replace it all in the whole...
Ooh, 1,282.
So this is showing what it was going to be, and this is showing what it will be.
Dude, seriously, I was going to do this by hand.
Oh, yeah.
And I didn't.
Oh, yeah.
And, yeah, I'm glad.
So, but this is in, like, the whole thing. So we really only want to do it under the source directory. So let's just do another find. Still a lot.
Yeah. Jay's like, the files aren't that big. It's totally fine. I don't get why it would take so long. It would take you like an hour to do, Tracy. And then he forced me to ask you to do this. Thank you.
So just one more time, just so you realize what a regular expression is. It's a literal programming syntax that is made for consuming strings of whatever. And it just is, it's going to look character by character and be like, does this match I? No. Okay, go to the next one. Does this match I? Yes. Okay. Go to my next character. Does it match M? No. Okay, forget it. Forget what's in memory and keep going. And then eventually it'll hit a line that's like, does this match I? Oh, yes. Okay. Does this match M? Yes. P? Yes. And so on until it gets to this guy. And then we're saying capture everything that this finds, the expression inside this finds in memory as $1. And this is a negative set. So you're saying really a character cool. that is not this one or more times, but make it lazy. So the very first one of these that we hit, you're done.
That's awesome. That's amazing.
So we go ahead and we hit replace all, and you've successfully fixed it. There you go.
I haven't actually successfully fixed it.
You did.
This replace it 1,126 times. Jay Phelps, Mr. Linter. See, this is funny, right? Because as soon as they press this, it's going to be like, see, Tracy, it didn't take you that long. But obviously you helped.
Do it.
But also, this goes to show that even though Jay said he didn't care, he cared.
He did. This stuff really bothers Jay.
Jay, calling you out.
So.
All right. Okay, so that's it.
So, yeah, that should be it. Now, what I don't know is whether or not Atom automatically saves. So I don't know if these are all saved or not. So if you open one of those up, no, it doesn't look like it's all saved. So go up under File.
And then Save All.
And Save All.
Oh, Save All.
And you should be golden at that point. And then what we want to do is we want to run the build to make sure we didn't break anything. So for RxJS, the command is npm space run space build underscore all. I'm sorry, build underscore test. And we just wait a little bit and we cross our fingers and hope that everything works.
Where's the music?
It looks like it made it through. But we need
Let's play. I didn't know that Chicago song.
You didn't know Saturday in the Park?
No.
Really?
I wasn't into it. I was.
Right. We got this. We got this.
All right.
Go to the artist.
You can do it. You can do it.
We got this. I once played this for Jeff Cross when he came to Netflix to pair.
Ooh! All passing.
There we go. So we need to then commit. So we've got some commit rules on RxJS. So
can I git add?
Yeah, just do git commit. Or you can do add. That's fine. Git commit
All right.
And then the message is this a refresh? This is style. So just do double quotes, then you say style.
In caps?
Lowercase. And then open paren. Not right there. It's just right next to style. It's like a function call, kind of.
Oh.
Yeah. So
where was I?
And then
where was I?
Before you do close paren, just put all, because you change everything, and then colon, space, whatever you want to say that we just did. Fix no space. Whatever. Fix J's.
Wait. No space braces. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Wait, and then that?
And then before you close it, hit enter and go down a line. That's why I had you open it.
Okay.
And then do one more line. And we're going to say resolves or fixes, whichever. Lowercase. I don't know if it recognizes uppercase. And then space, pound sign. Then we just need the issue number. 1868. Close quotes. Double quotes. Yep, good.
This is kind of like Jay's change into Ember, where he changed everything from double quotes to single quotes, right?
Yeah.
Jay, I love how you force contributions to the community, such as no spaces.
Right. So now you just need to push your branch up to origin.
Yeah?
Yep. That dash U wasn't even necessary, but that'll do. All right. So now we've got it up there. Now go to GitHub and go click right there, and you should see the little pop up there.
I feel like maybe this would have been a better lesson for me if I had pounded my face on this for like 8 hours.
It would have been a really, really mean lesson for you,
Yeah, but I learned. I honestly was going to do that, but I learned regular expressions.
Yeah, you got the beginnings of an idea for regular expressions. Like this is really the bread and butter of like how you would actually use a regular expression. You can use it for crazier things like validating an email or something, but that gets pretty nuts really fast.
So basically, should I delete this or keep it?
You can delete all that stuff.
Okay. Here, pull request.
Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Now, if only I knew a guy that worked on ArcGIS to help approve that.
So Ben, how do you feel like the maintainer of this library? Is it a library?
Yeah, it's a library.
How do you feel like the maintainer of this library is going to feel about this pull request?
I think that it'll approve.
You
overall.
think so?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I mean, that regular expression, like, do you think it was written properly?
I think that, I think it was done okay.
Okay, but seriously, so, like, for this podcast...
The guy couldn't have done it better if he did it himself.
No? You don't think so?
No.
Oh, wait, where's the puns, though? I need some puns.
Where's the puns?
How can you talk to me and we have, like, a 10-minute conversation with no puns?
I don't know. That's kind of irregular, isn't it? Yeah.
Wait, was that funny?
I was just trying to express myself. I'm sorry.
Like, okay, there we go.
Yeah.
There we go. So, this is a good song, too. I like this playlist. No, but really, like, what did we learn here? We learned how to do a regular expression.
Yes. We also learned a lot about Jay.
Jay the Human Linter. You can follow him at _J Phelps and bother him
I think
about these things.
We sang in the beginning, and that's probably going to turn a few people off.
What song is this? I heard her say...
this is Hard to Say I'm Sorry.
Hard to say I'm sorry.
It is right there.
Far away from each other. Hold me now. It's hard for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to stay. The words are right here.
I know. I'm not reading.
After all that you've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise you. And after all that's been said and done,
do you think people are done listening?
You're just a part of me I can't let go. No, we're doing it. Who cares? It's the end of the podcast.
This is a long
Just
song.
stop listening. Can stand be kept away. What?
Right here.
What? Not for a day from your body. From your body. This isn't even the right lyrics.
It's not?
Baby can't.
So where's Swept Away at? Oh, right here.
Far away from the one that I love.
Hold me now.
Deeper. Stronger.
Hey, I'm sorry. I just want you to know.
Here we go.
Okay. Hold
Oh,
me
yeah.
now.
I missed that one.
I
Really want to tell you I'm sorry. I could never let you go. Nobody's listening, don't worry. After all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise you. And after all that's been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go.
There's like 2.5 more minutes in this
After
song.
all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise you. Oh, this is terrible. I have a terrible voice right now. Alright guys, with that, we're going to say bye. Thanks for listening to this episode of the YOLO Brolo thing.
If you listen this long, thank you. You can come to my house for Thanksgiving. If you listen to this point.
Well, you know, I feel like now that people have listened and we were going to say bye. Oh, wait. Wait, hold on. Hold on. What's going on here? What's going on here?
I think this is like the instrumental part. I don't know.
Okay. What?
Yeah, I swear to God.
Fast forward a little bit. Oh, shit.
You just rewound. What's happening?
Wait, did it go? No. Alright, guys. We failed. Goodbye. It's also not midnight, by the way. This is not the real time. Alright.
I put an end to it. I just got it.
We're done. We're good. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye. You gonna say bye?
Bye.